So is Kanye West killing the Adidas Yeezy? Let us know what you think in the comments, and we'll get right to it. What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're taking a closer look at the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 V2 Tephra. Before we get into all that, just do us a quick favor, hit that subscribe button. We obviously started this video off with a very interesting question. Is Kanye West and Adidas killing the Yeezy? And what we mean by that is, are they releasing too many shoes? And if there's too many releases out there, is it sort of killing the resale value? Do people even really care anymore? There's a lot at play when it comes to that question. It's a very loaded question because the shoes still seem to sell out. However, the hype isn't quite there anymore. But before we get into all that, let's just go over the basics. The shoe will release on June 15th, 2019 with a retail price of $300. Only adult pairs will be available and they'll be sold at Adidas retailers worldwide. Of course, check the store links in our description below just to find out exactly when and where you can buy them. So the question we asked, is Adidas and Kanye West killing the Adidas Yeezy? Well, what we really mean by that is, are they releasing too many shoes? And right now, starting from about March, the release schedule definitely picked up for Yeezy, especially in June. We have the Vantas, you have the Tephras, you have the utility blacks. Not long ago, we had salts, we had analogs, and of course, that's not even counting all the 350s that are dropping. And yes, the 700 and the 700 V2 are two different shoes, but basically, if you just look at it up and down, it's Yeezy, Yeezy, Yeezy. In our opinion, there's way too much Yeezy going on right now, even though Kanye West did promise that anyone who wants a pair of Yeezys will be able to get them, but there's this thing called scarcity. And when it comes to sneakers or any limited edition product, people want the things that most people can't have. And now it's come to the point where there's an Adidas Yeezy release almost every weekend, especially when it comes to the 700 V2, that chunky shoe. It's competing with a lot more shoes out on the market right now. While the 700 V2 is a very good looking shoe, it's not the only one that fits that chunky shoe look. You have high fashion brands like Balenciaga and Louis Vuitton coming in, competing with this price point, and even Nike's coming through with shoes like the M2K Techno, which costs less than a third of this shoe. But when it comes to Yeezy, anyone who wants them pretty much had their fill already, and now Adidas is just dropping more and more pairs and trying to take advantage of the hype as much as they possibly can. The 700s especially, they've been struggling a little bit when it comes to the resale price. For the most part, you can actually cop them for under retail because these are $300 US, which is quite a lot of money to pay for one pair of shoes. And right now, if you look in the resale market, if you look hard enough, you can get them for under $300. So let's take a closer look at this Tephra one. Again, Kanye West loves the muted look. He likes neutral tones. While the combination of the multi-tones of gray with the gum sole looks really good, it's not too different from what's already out there. The Tephra looks a lot like the Geode pair that dropped recently because, again, that has a similar grayish color scheme. Even the upcoming utility black, even though that one's a black one, it will have the same gum soles. The schedule of releases is a little bit too strong right now, and there's not enough diversity in the colors. We like what Kanye West is doing with the 350. We love the colors. We love that they're sort of preheating the global launch with the reflective versions, and that's definitely driven up resale prices. Reselling and Yeezy kind of go hand in hand, and you've definitely noticed that it's made a bit of a comeback. For example, the reflective black pair is going for a minimum of $1,000, and that's kind of unheard of for a Yeezy right now. But when it comes to the 700, there's just too much competition for this category of shoe, the chunky fashion shoe. Like we said, it seems like there's another Yeezy release going on every weekend. So is Adidas and Kanye West killing the Adidas Yeezy? They're kind of on their way a little bit, but there's ways around that. They could definitely slow down the release slate a little bit. They can do something more interesting with the colorways. Personally, the Tephra is one of the better ones in our opinion, but again, it's not too different from what's already out there. And again, that has a lot to do with what Kanye West personally likes. He loves neutral tones, he loves earthy tones. Hopefully we'll see more punches of color like, the Volt, or, the Inertia's had the little bit of pink on the midsole. Hopefully we'll see more of that, but that's just basically our take on the Tephra Yeezys. It drops June 15th. You can let us know in the comments if you agree with us or not. Is Adidas and Kanye West killing the Yeezy, or are they not? Check the links below for the official store list for this release, and we'll catch you in the next video.